working at ROK today. Kind of ran overtime, still here, but I'm enjoying it. It's fun. Welcome to another vlog. I am back home, currently making some food to eat. I'm just like whipping up something kind of easy. But anyways, I'm so tired. It's like after 10 right now. I left home around after 4? No lie, that's a lie. I left home around 5. I left home around 5 p.m. and then I got to ROK by like 5:20. Because downtown is pretty close to Portmore, so that it takes no time to get to downtown. So I got there by like 5:20 at the hotel, and I started doing coverage. I was actually working for like a brand there, doing some content for them, and I started around 5:45, and then I left there around 10 p.m. So yeah, I'm very tired because I was like on my foot most of the time because I was just like capturing content. I'm sorry I'm not doing a very good job at like holding my phone and vlogging right now because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm like out of it, and I didn't really eat like a meal before going. I literally just grabbed the closest thing, stuffed my face with them, and walked through the door. So yeah, this is my first meal of the day, and it's like probably almost 11 right now. But after I finish eating, I'm gonna offload all the content and then upload them, email the content to the client, and then also like the invoice work and all of that. And then after that, you know, probably clean off this face, shower, and maybe go to bed. But am I going to end up going to bed? I don't know, because that's very unlike me, but we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. These are so nice. But would Ollie use something like this? Probably. I don't know if he would use it. I feel like Ollie is a type and get nice things and don't use it. But this is nice. He'd like this blanket though. He likes blankets. This one is a pet blanket. He'd love that. PriceMart haul, guys. PriceMart Portmore haul. Staple. This is the raisin oats and cinnamon bread. This to me is the best bread that Healthy Start make from National. Argue with whoever you want to argue with, but this is my favorite one. But I know some people don't like raisins and stuff like that in like bread, but I like it. I know this is like one of those things that people argue about, kind of like pineapple on pizza, raisin in bread, but I'm a fan. Got some oranges. These are like the regular true juice oranges that you get everywhere in Jamaica. Some naan, and it's a 2-pack. I was so happy when I saw that it was a 2-pack. And I'm about to open one of these packs right now. I'm so hungry. I'm about to open one of these, and then we're probably gonna freeze the other pack. I love naan so much. Indian food is like actually my favorite cuisine, FYI. Mama, hey mama. Isn't there a thing on this? I thought there was like a... It's only on one side? No. Like a resealable thing. No, I thought it was. I can't open this. But anyways, I'm gonna be eating this. I'm so hungry. Like, going to PriceMart hungry is not a good idea. And I put this in the freezer. Or maybe in the fridge, because it's not gonna take us a long time to get through these, because there's only 4 in the pack. I'm probably gonna eat 1 tonight. Got some tomatoes. I love these tomatoes because you can just eat them kind of like fruits. I really like them, so I always get these whenever I go to PriceMart. The grape tomatoes, a fave. And I got mushrooms. I really love these baby bella mushrooms. And to me, PriceMart have like really good price on things like mushrooms and things like this, like especially because they're imported. But the prices at PriceMart are fairly good, I'd say, so I usually get them there. But I usually go through these pretty fast. Like, I love carbs and veggies, guys. Like, I feel like some of you guys know that, but some of you don't. More than I like meat. Like, I'll eat meat, but like when it comes on to things like this, sign me up. That's why I tell people, like, I could be vegetarian easily. But I tell people most of the time, like, if I lived alone, I'd probably eat mostly pescatarian because I really like seafood and I like vegetables and carbs. Meat, I'll eat meat, but like, it's just, I could live my life not eating meat again and I'd be so content. Like, I don't really crave meat like that, which is ironic because the next thing I'm going to pull out is meat. And this big ass thing of fried chicken. It is so big. It took me so long to decide on this because it's so massive, and it's just 2 of us. So but you know, when you go shopping while you're hungry and you just have to make decisions, because it's like, it's to 8 right now, and it's a Friday for context, and all the fast food places are full. There's lines everywhere. I live in Portmore, and if you understand where PriceMart is, like that whole section, it's a bunch of food places, but all of them are gonna be full because it's Friday. I don't have time for all of that, and PriceMart have food, so we got chicken from PriceMart. It looks really good though, so hopefully it tastes good. But this looks like a whole chicken. I think it's a whole chicken. We literally have food for the entire weekend. And then also got a peanut butter. Got a crunchy one. I really like peanut butter, and I've been wanting to get one, so I just bought this on the side. And I got the crunchy. Are you a fan of crunchy or creamy? I mean, I stood in the aisle and I was like, crunchy, creamy. Went with crunchy. I don't really have like much of a preference. It just depends on my mood at the time. But yeah, I really love peanut butter. Yeah. But yeah, that's the haul. The next thing that we picked up was like raw meat. Mommy picked that up. But yeah, so we're gonna be eating naan. We have fried chicken, and I kind of want to whip up some of these on the stovetop mushrooms and like maybe some like onions and stuff, but I'm lazy, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that. We'll see. And of course, Ollie's trying to climb into the bag right now because he can't see a grocery bag and not climb into it, because clearly something is wrong with it. But anyways, that's the haul. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Ollie, you need to leave in a man. Come. I don't be that yard. Come to go to pity a man. Café clean up, put up. Ollie, you go to pity brother, babe.
Why should I take him out? Is he want Ollie business?
Come on, won't leave. Leave.
Ali, look, I'm comfortable. Ali,
Just a yarn and a little boy and now come out.
Mom wants you out of her room. Can you please get out?
No, that's sweet. Come after
Ali, Ali, what you even if I look for me? I'm speaking to you.
Dry him out, yeah.
Come, see my back up already. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Come.
What's up? Somebody come down. What's up, Ollie? Come on, Lorraine.
Mommy, come grab him. Go around at the front.
Front?
On the other side, by a mat. Get out! Ali, literally? Oh my god, I can't. It is Monday and we're starting the day a little late because when my alarm went off, I definitely did turn it off. But at least I'm getting the day started nonetheless. I'm gonna do a simple like makeup look because I'm going over to the cafe and working from there because I have a lot to do today and I wanted to kind of change up my environment, and when I'm at the cafe I'm able to like kind of lock in more without like any distractions. So I'm gonna do that. I have a lot to do, but exciting stuff. I hit 2,000 subscribers, as you guys already know, because I would have posted it on my community tab on YouTube, but I finally hit 2,000 and it's kind of crazy because I feel like for a long time 2,000 seemed like such a unrealistic number for me, especially like early last year before I started being consistent again. It seemed like such an unrealistic like thing to achieve, but we made it. We finally made it after after months, you know. But I just want to say thank you to all the people that have joined the family. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just like really excited. I feel like I found my drive again for like YouTube ever since like the end of December. I feel like I'm so locked in when it comes to YouTube, guys, and I'm just really excited for like the growth and like everything to come. And I feel like I found my rhythm where YouTube's concerned, which is nice. Also, what was like really symbolic for me was the fact that I got to like 2,000 subscribers the same day that I got monetized. And it's funny because I could have been monetized like days sooner, like almost a week sooner, but like I kept doing the wrong thing, right, for like the monetization process. And then on the day that I got to 2,000, I was like, wait, you know. And then I realized that I already had an AdSense account, right? But I always thought that I can't use the same AdSense account for more than one YouTube channel. So I decided to connect my AdSense to this one, and it connected right away. And then like a few hours after, the little notification came in from the app to say that I was like accepted, and I'm like, no, part of the program. And I was like, oh my god. And it's so crazy because I'm like, wow, on the day that I got to 2,000 was the day that I monetized. And the reason why I say it felt like really symbolic in a way is because I actually thought about it. I was like, wow, what if I actually got monetized the same time I got to 2,000 subscribers? Because I've been like kind of like, you know, like in the background, like, oh my god, 2,000, because like I was growing so fast in like the last 2 weeks. I literally gained almost 300 subscribers in like 2 weeks, and I was like, oh my god, 2,000, like, am I gonna get there at the same time? But then I was like, nah, I'm gonna get monetized before 2,000. But so said, so done. And I got monetized the same time that I got to 2,000. And I was like, oh my god, this is so symbolic, because I just felt like these two things just seem like so, like something that I just wouldn't be able to get to one day. But, you know, being consistent and kind of like putting my all into my channel and kind of like really buckling down with it, and, you know, taking my time to really learn YouTube and how YouTube works, I've been locked in. And I told y'all I was gonna lock in, but I know I said that a lot of times and I haven't like followed through. So thank you to all the people that have been patient and just sticked around and waited, you know. But yeah, we're here to stay, y'all. We have been consistent for the whole month of January, which makes me really happy. I'm very proud of myself. And I don't know, I feel like I found my spark again, as I said before, with YouTube, and I'm passionate about it again, which is good, because I feel like I need to be passionate about it for it to really work, because YouTube takes a lot of work, and if you're not fully committed to it, it's really hard to stay consistent because it takes up a lot of time. But anyways, I no longer have a cream blush, which is kind of sad, so I have to use a powder blush. So before that, I'm just gonna set my face a little bit. I don't actually like setting my face, to be honest. Should I set it? I mean, makeup rules, you're supposed to set your face, but when it comes on to mine specifically, whenever I do this kind of face, I don't really like to set it. But just because I'm going to the cafe and stuff, I think I'm gonna just put a little bit of powder on. But whenever I set my face and I do my makeup like this, I feel like it takes away from what I'm trying to achieve. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm just gonna set in the center. Also, it might look like I have blush blindness, but honestly I don't. You know why? Because I can see that I'm wearing a lot of blush. I know that I'm wearing too much blush, but guess what? I don't care. I love it. Blush blindness is when you don't know that you're wearing like way too much blush, but I am very much aware. I know that I'm wearing a lot of blush. That's the difference. That is indeed the difference. The blush makes the look, you know? Now to do my hair, and then we're good to go. I'll be back. Let's do a what's in my bag. I'm carrying my yellow tote bag. I like bringing this one to the cafe, or like when I have like work stuff sometimes, because it fits a lot and it gets the job done. My laptop, of course, charger, phone charger. I'm bringing literally 2 different headphones. I'm bringing these are like my trusty Skull Candy headphones. These are like the small earbuds. I bought these a long time ago. You guys might remember this. I think I bought these in Best Buy, and then I got like a case for it. Yeah, I bring these almost everywhere. If I did like a what's in my bag, like when I'm out and about, I probably have these in there. Always bring earphones just in case, just in case. And then I'm bringing these, which are like my bigger earphones. These are like noise canceling, so these are perfect for the cafe, because you know people be noisy. Okay. And then my chargers, and that's literally it. I don't take anything else because I take all my notes and stuff on my laptop, so I don't really write much. Do y'all probably write a lot more than I do, but I hardly write. Sometimes I don't even know like what my handwriting looks like, because I type everything. And then lip gloss. That's it. Literally that is it. Let's go to the cafe. This is perfume. I really love this one, YSL. But let's go. Oh, I need to finish eating these. I was eating fruits, and the grape tomatoes, melon, and pineapple. Let's go. This is a fit check. I don't know why I'm doing a fit check, because honestly I wear the same things all the time. I'm literally wearing the same pants that I wore last week to that job at ROK. I just re-wearing it since, you know, I wore a crop top. And then I brought this shirt because it gets cold inside the cafe, so I kind of just brought this to wear over. You guys know this shirt, you've seen it so many times. So yeah, this is literally the fit. Like, yeah, that's literally it. What was I gonna say? Yeah, nothing too crazy, just going to the cafe. I haven't honestly been dressing up much. I feel like just overall, like whenever I go out and stuff, I haven't been shopping, I haven't been dressing up like that, you know. I've just been wearing like super simple stuff. So yeah, this is the fit. We're gonna go. It's so hot today, but let's go. Alright, can I get that? Oat milk? Branded. I can get a double shot? Oh, it comes with it? Oh, okay. I genuinely forgot like how loud inside a cafe is, but I'm at the Starbucks in Portmore, and when I tell you I genuinely thought about like going into Kingston just to go to a cafe brew, like I'm dead serious. I wish there was like a cafe brew in Portmore, but this is literally the only cafe that we have, Starbucks. And I was like, you know what? I want to be in a cafe because I want to be away from like any distractions and stuff and just lock in. And then I saw that they had like a new drink, like a hazelnut drink, iced coffee. It's basically, it has this long ass fancy ass name, you know, Starbucks, but it's literally just a hazelnut oat milk latte. They said they didn't have like any hazelnut milk, they only had like toffee. And the cashier guy was like, trust me, it tastes almost the same. So I was like, okay, I'll trust you. So I got it. It tastes almost like hazelnut, not exactly like hazelnut, but close, I guess. But to me, the espresso, it tastes a little burnt. Yeah. So that's kind of like sad. Like if the espresso never tastes like, it has like a slight, oh, not a slight, it's like very apparent, like almost like a burnt taste. If that wasn't the case, the coffee would have been good. But I mean, Cafe Blue does it better. Am I biased? I think I'm biased for the right reasons. Like Cafe Blue's like coffee is just nicer. I think it's because also Cafe Blue does 100% Blue Mountain coffee, while Starbucks I think only does like a mix. Their coffee is a mix of Blue Mountain coffee and something else, I think. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, but this vlog that you guys are watching right now today on Monday, February 3rd was filmed today. Like this today is Monday, February 3rd, and I'm gonna be putting this in the vlog that I shot a few days ago. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna finish working. I have a long list of things to do today, but I'm gonna also like start editing this vlog in a little bit and then finish up. But yeah,